Voting was something that at one point in time our community could not do. African Americans, women.
We were always taught to participate, that we could change the world in terms of our own actions.
My own mother is the best example I have of why it's so important to vote.
I think if women had been able to vote earlier, we would be a different country.
It's kind of hard to believe that that fight had to take place, but it did. And it is a fundamental right.
And of course, this only allowed white women to vote. And there would be many years hence for the votes of the African American, the Indian, the Asian women, the Hispanic women.
There was ever a moment to celebrate, and how to celebrate the Centennial, this moment, is that there is still a fight for access to voting.
It brings to the forefront how precious all of our rights are.
So I salute women and those who fought and died and were beaten in order to get that 19th Amendment guarantee of the right to vote.
They were able to, with the power of their vote, change society and make it better, not just for themselves, but for every woman.
I vote.
I vote.
I vote.
I vote.
I vote.
Because I believe our voice does make a difference.
Because I love my children.
Because it's my right and it is my voice, and I want to be heard.
Because too many people shed blood and died for my right to.
Because my 10-year-old daughter deserves to grow up in a country that values her ability to live out her dream, to become whatever it is that she wants to become in life. I vote because of her.